Go Carpet Cleaning in Decatur, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning utilizes just natural, eco-friendly solutions that are harmless for your family and pets. Our team is committed to offering quality service that will leave your carpets looking and smelling clean and brand new. Contact us today for a free quote. For the best carpet cleaning in Decatur, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. We focus on office and residential carpets, area rugs, and upholstery services. We provide natural products to fight any stain, even difficult ones. We want to ensure that our customers are 100% satisfied with the carpet cleaning service that we offer, and we ensure total satisfaction on each and every job. We're amongst the highest-rated carpet cleaning companies in the area, and we're dedicated to combating spots and germs with safe and eco-friendly solutions. Our service technicians are skilled cleaners in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, as a cleaning technique which removes stains by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet in a non-hazardous way without any harsh chemicals. We offer carpet cleaning that will bring your office or home back to life. We make certain there's not too much water left behind when we're done cleaning, because too much water left in your carpet can be the perfect place to start spreading disease and for more germs, and you can end up right back where you started. Our carpet cleaning services in Decatur are comprehensive and safe, and we work to guarantee our clients are pleased before we leave any task. We have great news. We do more than carpet cleaning. Call us right away to set up a visit or find out more about our services. Contact us about expert cleaning services today. Visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.